My name's Clayton Smith. I work for Parkinson Harness Technology. I'm the Chief Maintenance Engineer here. I look after all the equipment. At Parkinson Harness we manufacture wiring looms to suit all sorts of vehicles, from the construction sector through to racing cars, speedboats, etc. We chose the Linx 10 because of the ease of maintenance of the machine, and also it's so user friendly, our operators like it, and it was at a great price, so we couldn't refuse. We code from 0.5mm square up to 10, maybe 12 or even 16mm square. We tend to change them on the fly, so we'll do one code and then we'll change it to something else, and that can be done on harnesses anything from 10 circuits to 1,000 circuits depending on what the customer requires. From an operator point of view, it's very user friendly. It's so easy to change. The operators can get through the job faster, it's easier for them, and they like using it. The fact that it's a touch screen, you know, it's great. There's very little that needs to be done. There's no setting up, altering things, changing parameters. It's very easy to use and easy to look after, so from my point of view that's what I like about it.